Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will have a quick look at the new Microsoft Teams user experience. The new Microsoft Teams comes with a performance-first mindset. It is faster, simpler, and more flexible than ever before. In the new Teams, we can switch between apps, respond to chat messages, and join meetings and calls more quickly while using less battery and memory. But before we get started with the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and watch the video till end. So here is a short intro. So to experience the new design of Microsoft Teams user experience, first of all, we need to make some changes into our admin center, or else we have to make sure we have those changes available inside our Microsoft Teams admin center. So right now I am in my Microsoft Teams admin center. I will go into the Teams and Teams update policies. I will go in this global organization wide policy, which is my default policy right now. And we need to check two things in here. One is this allow public preview, and the second thing is use new Teams client. And the values which we wanted to have selected is this one, like follow office preview for this allow public preview section. We can have different sections, but we require this to have it, follow office preview. And the other section we require is use new Teams client to have user can choose. If we don't have it not in, if we have it not enabled on Microsoft controls, then we may not have that toggle button. I have already made these changes, so I'm not having this apply button. But once you make those changes and click on apply, that is it, what we wanted to have inside this Microsoft Teams admin center. The new user experience is not available for the browsers yet. So we need to check it on the Microsoft Teams desktop app. So once you have done these changes and click on applied, it will take some time, like around 5 to 10 minutes to reflect those changes as per your tenant. I have already done that. So I can, let's go and straight away move to the Microsoft Teams desktop app. This is my current behavior or the current user experience I am having for Microsoft Teams app right now. And as you can see on the top right, top left corner, I have this new button that is called as try the new Teams. And it is a toggle switch button. So if when I hover on to this switch, let me just go and do that. It will say a faster, fresher Teams is ready for you to try. We can switch back to it anytime to this classical view or the classic view at any time. So let me just go and click on this toggle button and make it on. Once I click on that, the Teams will close and it will open up this PRE. Teams PRE means preview. And voila, we have our new Microsoft Teams UI. Looks familiar, right? It is much more familiar according to, I can say, the Skype. It is having this new default theme. If we can go and change the themes, it has this new settings page. Before in the classical one, when we click onto the settings, it open up in a dialog, but now it has its own separate page. If I go in this appearance and accessibility, I see these three themes. This is light one. If I change to dark, this is dark theme and this is high contrast. Let me just switch to light again. Other than that, all the things are same. I don't see that much of difference in here. Yeah, the look and feel is bit change, but not that much change I can see from here. The other things is just like that. If I go and check in teams, it will have this much of my teams. If I go and click on general, this is my post, and this is a new pop-up. When I click on the general channel, I get this one for the new user experience. So it says like channels just got a new makeover. We have reimagined channels to make sure you get to important stuff fast and can focus. So it gives us some first run experience for that, like post from top to bottom. This is first thing we see. The second thing is pop out that conversation. I can pop that out as you can see in here. Like I can click on these three dots and pop out the conversation so that it is available in the new chat as we have in the Skype before. So this is good. We can have some separate conversations in here for that. Right? So this is the very quick overview of this new Microsoft Teams. It has so many things to be done in there. But yeah, they are working on those parts. Like they are working on the Mac version, they are working on the EDU versions, and by the time goes, they will add more and more stuffs into these new preview versions for the new Microsoft Teams user experience. And we are going to cover them in the next videos as well. Okay. And the main thing is it has very good look and feel, same as Skype, what I can see from now on. And if I want to go back to my previous classical Teams, I can just click on this toggle button and it says like we are constantly adding features to the new Teams. We can click on what's new. So it will redirect us to the new Microsoft Teams page where we see all the changes. Like this is the toggle button we just enabled. These are the available things like activity feed is available, chat is available. These are the things what they are working on or going to work on. Okay, these are the new available documentation, like what things are have been added and they are going to add. And the next thing is if I want to go back to my classical Teams, I can just simply come here and switch off this button. So what it will do, it will just go and close the Teams, open up the Teams with the classical view, which we have already. Okay. So that's it. This is it for the current quick overview of the new Microsoft Teams user experience video. We will explore it more once we have more features coming in for the new user experience for the Microsoft Teams. Till then, bye bye. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and if you want to subscribe it, just click on the subscribe button on the channel and press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I am uploading a new video. Thanks for watching.